Discord is giving out another Orbs. The total is what makes 10,200 Orbs. But only 4.5% of you have subscribed to me, so make sure to subscribe if you're watching. It helps the channel heaps. There's a new quest from Marathon trailer from Bungie. I'm not sure if it's a movie or a game, but this quest gives out 200 Orbs. If you already have this game in your PC, you will get 700 Orbs for playing the game. Make sure to accept that quest and keep your Discord app open on your PC. Additionally, I have videos in the past about these old quests too, like Anno, Warcraft, Arcaren, and many more. There are more than 10 active quests right now. Make sure to do this soon before they expire. Most of them will expire in early March. Today, I also made a video on Security Alert Verba Breach. All the quest links will be in this video's description. Also watch this new video, since it's an emergency. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.